Hello, my LinkedIn family. I hope you guys are having a good day. This project is part of my virtual internship at Oasis Infobyte. The title of the project is Email Spam Detection with Machine Learning. So the very first step is to import all necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Sklearn, and NLTK library, which is used for natural language processing. In the second step, we'll load the dataset from Kaggle. The dataset is got from the Kaggle. You can download from it. And in the third step, we perform some coding operations to familiarize ourselves with the dataset. So here is a look on a number of rows and number of columns, a brief info of the data, and the percentage of null values, and a number of duplicated rows in the dataset. So this is the data cleaning part, in which I remove 3 columns which contains 99% null values. Then I renamed columns and then drop all duplicated rows and then perform label encoding on the target column. So here is a look on our clean data. So the number of rows are decreased because we have to remove the duplicated rows, and the number of columns are equal to 2. Number of null rows are 0 and number of duplicated rows are also 0. So here is a look on the data. Then we perform exploratory data analysis EDA. So it is clear that our dataset is not balanced. In this step, I also made few new columns like number of characters, number of words, and number of sentences. So here you guys can see that. So the number of characters, number of words, and number of sentences are placed in front of each text. So here is the histogram of number of characters in every text. So here I checked the multicollinearity between features, and this is the data pre-processing part. So in this part, first of all, I converted all the text to lowercase and then perform tokenization and remove all non-alphanumeric words and remove all stop words and punctuation marks, and then replace similar words and sometimes remove them. So here is a bar chart of 30 most frequent words in the message which are spam. And here is the bar chart which showed 30 most frequent words in the message which are ham. So this is our main part, model building. When first of all we perform vectorizers and then split the dataset into training and testing and then build the model. So we work with a multinomial naive Bayes. So this model achieved an accuracy of 0.97% and a precision of 1%. So here is the confusion matrix of this model. Can get this file from my GitHub. Thank you. Bye bye.